This is a quick guide for parents to use as you begin to familiarize yourself with Microsoft Teams. This is the digital platform that we will be using during our universal remote learning. You're going to come to the Fulton County Schools.org website. You're going to scroll down here. You see the tabs listed at the bottom. You're going to click on Class Link. Once you click on Class Link, that app is going to open. Students will be prompted to enter their lunch number and their birthday. Once it opens, students will then begin to see all of the apps that are available to them. You're going to scroll all the way down and find Microsoft Office 365. You're going to click on that app. When you open that app, you're going to scroll all the way over to Microsoft Teams. You can tell it's Microsoft Teams because it is purple here with the T. You're going to click on this app and it's going to open your child's Microsoft Team. I'm going to wait a little. It's opening up. Okay, and then it's going to bring you here to your apps, and these are all of the apps that will be available to your child during remote learning. And you can just scroll down and see those teams, and if it is a math class, you click on math. If it is a reading class, you click on reading. And this is how you access Microsoft Teams.